What's going on, everyone? Uh, my project was creating a rap from scratch in GarageBand and creating a music video for said rap. So, what I wanted to do, yeah, I was just kind of bored, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna become a rapper. So, you just gotta follow your dreams, basically. But yeah, basically, I wanted to create using Apple loops in GarageBand, um, create a good beat, and then rap over it, and then make a really goofy video with it. So, uh, take a look. Let's go over here. Let's go to my. Oh, I guess it's right here. Well, that's neat. Okay, so this was my planning period week. Let me. Oh, that didn't work. All right. Well, okay, so yeah, this was uh my plan of action was for the first week I was gonna create the beat and start with lyrics, and then my second week I was gonna write lyrics, record and finish everything on the song, any finishing touches for week 3, and then I was gonna film the music video, and then finish filming and editing on week 4 and presentation. And I did stay pretty well on task. I kept moving, which was really nice, so I didn't have to cram last second um, to do anything necessarily at the end, which is something that I have a very bad habit of doing. So, um, yeah, I went into Apple Loops over here. I had hip hop on, and I would go like, let's say, for instance, what's something? Oh, the Epoch synth lead, like
Yeah,
that little
yeah.
noise. All I did is I just came through here. I was just listening to stuff. I was like, listen to this. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. And then I hit that, and I was like, you know what? That's good. So then I went with it, and I did that for basically everything. And I just tried to get things that mesh together. And then I got this little.
Okay, you know we coming in the game from.
If we mute this, okay. So that was this line is my rap. These are my lyrics and everything. But if we take that out, this is the whole beat that I have. And as you can tell over here, I had to do a lot to balance out the audio to account for some things, like in the form of like microphones and everything. So yeah, then I added in my rap, and then
Straight up out of nowhere, raised up in the LBK. I'm sure that everybody knows where. It's a nice little town, and yeah, you know it ain't no time.
so yeah, basically, I'm the best rapper alive. But yeah, I mean, in reality, yeah, it's all of this, and it was really not. It was really fun to make, and it wasn't too difficult, but there were still some things that you had to touch up to make it sound how you wanted it to sound exactly. But if we, uh, I'll give a little teaser of this music video, but the music video will be linked in the description if you would like to watch it. So.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Yeah, yeah. Young Schneid. Okay, you know we coming in the game from straight up out of nowhere, raised up in the LBK. I'm sure that everybody knows where. It's a nice little town, and yeah.
But yeah, so basically, yeah, that was what was going on. So yeah, like I said, the video will be linked in the description. Here was all of my presentation and everything. So if I go to my reflection, so for one, I learned that there's a lot to go into making a song from scratch. Because personally, I'm really picky about like the beats that I pick, and I'll be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of the beats that I had. Like, that's just me. I don't know. But I just did not. Yeah, I feel like it could have been better, but I really tried to make it sound as good as I could. But
The highway. Maybe I'll just turn into.
yeah, so yeah, there's a lot, like, you got to find the right beats, you got to make sure they mesh together. Like, I had a lot of times where I had this beat I really liked, and then I had another one that I liked, but and I wanted to use them both, but they didn't mesh, so I had to pick one of them. But it was just little things like that. Yeah, like I said, I wish I worked harder on the beat. Like, I wish I could have done more things like personal musically. Like, if I could have like put in my own little piano tune, like have a little like, I don't know, I don't really know anything, but just like if I had some nice little bright sounding piano tunes to accompany this, it would have been nice. Yeah, I learned that I'm the greatest rapper alive. But yeah, in reality, the music video itself, I don't have the editing software I used on here, but the video itself was, in general, it wasn't too hard. Um, for the most part, it was just putting clips together, making sure they sync, and then like sometimes I do some little color correcting stuff, but yeah, just making sure it like it had made a little bit of sense, I guess. Like I mean, there's not really much of a story arc necessarily, but like I have this, and then like 2 Pint comes in,
Alright, you
and
know
then
it.
like it's all this, and then yeah, that one. It was just a little green screen thing there. That was just one of the things I just kind of did last minute because I was bored and I had nothing else to do. But yeah, all in all, I was pleased with my project. I think that it really went well, and I think it was nice that um, I was able to have 2 Pint accompany me. But all in all, it was a really good project. It was really fun to make, and maybe we'll see another one someday. Yep, so the link to the video will be in the description, and deuces.